10 quick and delicious keto meal recipes. If you're looking for easy and delicious keto meal ideas, you've come to the right place. In this video, I'll be sharing 10 quick and easy keto recipes that you can make in no time. Whether you're busy with work, school, or just need some inspiration for your next meal, these recipes are perfect for anyone following a keto diet. From creamy garlic shrimp to bacon and egg breakfast muffins, you won't believe how simple and delicious these meals can be. So sit back, relax, and let's get cooking. 1. Cheesy cauliflower rice. Steam a bag of cauliflower rice and mix in 1 cup of shredded cheddar cheese. Serve as a side dish or add cooked chicken or shrimp for a complete meal. 2. Avocado Egg Salad. Mash 2 avocados and mix in 4 hard-boiled eggs, 2 tablespoons of mayonnaise, 1 tablespoon of Dijon mustard, and salt and pepper to taste. Serve on a bed of lettuce or as a sandwich filling. 3. Chicken Caesar salad. Grill or bake a chicken breast and slice it over a bed of romaine lettuce. Add Caesar dressing and sprinkle with grated Parmesan cheese. 4. Zucchini noodles with meat sauce. Spiralize 2 or 3 zucchinis and sauté in olive oil or butter for 2 or 3 minutes. Top with homemade or store-bought meat sauce and sprinkle with grated Parmesan cheese. 5. Bacon and egg breakfast muffins. Whisk together 6 eggs and 1/4 cup of heavy cream. Stir in 1 cup of cooked bacon and divide the mixture into a greased muffin tin. Bake at 350 F for 15 to 20 minutes. 6. Creamy garlic shrimp. Sauté 1 pound of peeled and drained shrimp in butter and garlic until cooked through. Add 1/2 cup of heavy cream and simmer until the sauce thickens. Serve over cauliflower rice or zucchini noodles. 7. Greek salad with grilled chicken. Grill or bake a chicken breast and slice it over a Greek salad made with chopped lettuce, cucumbers, tomatoes, feta cheese, and olives. Dress with olive oil and lemon juice. 8. Spicy beef stir-fry. Sauté sliced beef with broccoli, bell peppers, and onions in coconut oil. Season with soy sauce, garlic, ginger, and red pepper flakes to taste. 9. Portobello Pizzas. Remove the stems from portobello mushrooms and brush with olive oil. Top with pizza sauce, shredded mozzarella cheese, and your favorite pizza toppings. Bake at 375 F for 10 to 15 minutes. 10. Cauliflower fried rice. Pulse a head of cauliflower in a food processor until it resembles rice. Sauté with diced onion, carrots, peas, scrambled eggs, and soy sauce to taste. That's it for today's video. I hope you enjoyed these 10 easy and fast keto meal ideas. Whether you're new to the keto diet or just looking for some inspiration, I hope these recipes have given you some ideas for your next meal. If you tried any of these recipes, let us know in the comments below which one was your favorite. And don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel for more keto recipe ideas and cooking tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.